Good morning, friends. Today, I think you are passing through your Christmas day. So let me wish Merry Christmas to you all. That day, in my 19th class of accounting, I have completed accounting aspects, the most important aspects of accounting, most important aspect of accounting, and that is arrangement of the items appearing in the balance sheet or statement of affairs. And that day I told you more or less for few days I would stop taking classes on accounting, but later I thought that there are some issues which have to be taken proper care of before switching over to other topic. Okay, and the related topics to financial statement. The two important areas are cost and its classification, and then statement of cost or cost of sales, and manufacturing account, and preparation of final account, manufacturing and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So these parts are very, very important, pertinent and closely related to what I have taught so far. So friends, I would like to cover up these areas, and I would take up this accounting class for a good number of days today onwards. Now our topic today is cost, is the concept and its classification. Okay, cost, the concept of cost and its classification. Now what is cost? What is cost? Don't think that you have not gone through any books of accounting, any books of cost accounting, any book on economics. This topic is highly related to economics and accounting and cost accounting. So there are three areas where these topics are to be gone through: economics, accounting, and cost and management accounting, cost and management accounting. In three areas, this topic is highly important. So friend, before you have not gone through economics, any book on economics on cost, any book on accounting on cost and its classification, or any book on cost and management accounting with the topic. Just think it very, very simply as a layman. If you ask your mother, "Mummy, what is cost? Mummy, cost क्या होता है? Papa, cost क्या होता है?" Friends, if you ask your friends, "Those cost क्या होता है?" Just you ask this, and you yourself ask yourself. Now, what is cost? Consider from layman points. Whenever you are going to buy something from anywhere else, what do? You want to get something. So something will come to you, and you have to give up something. I want to get something. What I am getting, in exchange to that, I have to give up something. So what I give up is the cost of getting. So what I give up. So what is given up? What is given up is the cost of getting that material. Just think it in that point. Okay, from that standpoint. So whenever you are going you are lacking of a beautiful paint, so you are interested to have one. You go to the market, you go to the shop, stationery shop, and you give some price, and you get the paint. So that is cost. So cost is basically what is give up, what is sacrificed. What is sacrifice? Is the cost of getting here. So that is, to get something, you have to give up something. So what you give up or what I give up is the cost. In a very layman's concept. Say you have two beautiful friends. You are two beautiful friends. So your friend has given you a beautiful cake, okay, and you have given him some sweets. So in order to get the sweets, get the cake, you have given up sweets. So sweet is the cost of the cake, okay. So it's from the that is getting something needs giving up something. So what is given up is known as cost. But we, as I have already told you, we the students of commerce and economics always consider everything in terms of money. So whatever exchange, whatever you give for something, if it is not properly expressed in terms of money, we should not consider, okay. Although it is genuinely a cost, you are getting a good cake, ready cake, a cake of 1 pound, and you are giving some sweets to your friends. So they are, that is the cost of the sweet on your part, is the cost of getting the cake. But sweet has its own cost, cake has its own cost, but this is not matching to that. But that is why as a student of commerce and economics, as students of accounting, I cannot take that thing into, because there should be some parity. So as it is lacking of parity, we should not consider. So that is any sacrifice is regarded as the cost, but that sacrifice must be measured in terms of money. Okay. Now therefore sacrifice measurable in terms of money. Sacrifice measurable in terms of money is known as cost. Just I am giving you one example. Just a set. I am giving you some set of events. A set of events. Say, just you think it properly. You have a very favorite hero, or maybe heroine. A film has been released, and you are he's a very renowned hero, and a film has been released, and you want to see that film or watch that film, the very inaugural part. Okay, say in the first show. Now what you have done, say you have to stand on the queue, you have to make a line for getting the ticket. The ticket will be given from 12, or it will be from 1, and or say it is from 12 the ticket will be given, and you have made a line, you have stood on the queue in the morning hours of the day, 5 a.m. Okay, at 5 a.m. you have from 5 a.m. you are standing on the queue. Just you think it, just total thing, you take it in your mind. You are on the queue, and now just at 8 a.m. you are feeling hungry, so you take some materials. So you purchase something, some cake or bread or bugni or whatever it may be from the shop. You take that. Then gradually the rush is mounted up. Crowd, huge number of prospective watcher, viewer on the line. So there is a tussle among those who are standing on the queue. The mountain police came, or the police came, and gave some danda, and you are fortunate enough to get some danda. Okay, clear? You are fortunate enough to get that danda. So you have got some wound, injury, and you purchase some medicine and apply that. Clear? So this is, now you are waiting for the time 12 to come, when the ticket will be given. The chance of getting the ticket will be from the counter. Will come. So what happened? Just it's like 11, 12. You are standing on the queue. One after another is taking the ticket and leaving the queue, and your turn comes. And as soon as you came, and as soon as you reach over there, one boat comes down. And comes down. I think you know the boat? Houseboat. Okay. Now what is, you have told your friends, maybe your close friend, very, very close friend, or it may be someone very special, then what would happen? You are not in a position to watch the film on the inaugural occasion, inaugural show. Then what you have done? The ticket, 50 रुपये का टिकट और से 100 रुपये का टिकट है, 500 रुपये से आप खरीद कर लिए दो, करना पड़ेगा, प्रेस्टीज का बात है. Okay, now you are satisfied. I have purchased the ticket. Clear? Now your friend or whatever your special friend, whatever it may be, you enjoy the film, return home, and you basically, as a student, you have to manage your expenses for education. You go on teaching some student, one kid. In the that day you did not attend your private tuition. Next day, in the evening hours, when you reach over there, auntie, बाबू कहाँ? तो बोले आप आए नहीं कल पढ़ाने के. आंटी मेरा तबीयत थोड़ा सा खराब था, इसलिए हम आ नहीं सकता. वेरी गुड. तो आंटी बोली जी आज बाबू को तबीयत खराब है, बाबू आज पढ़ेंगे नहीं. तो बोले व्हाट हैपेंड आंटी? अभी तो देखिए साइकिल चला रहे थे. नहीं वो जोर जबरदस्ती करके गए. आप जाइए, ठीक है, कल आइए. कल उसको पापा रहेंगे घर में, संडे है, छुट्टी है, आप कल आइए, ठीक है. तो संडे शाम को गए. तो द फादर ऑफ दैट किड टेल्स हिम, सॉरी फ्रेंड, यू मेरे बच्चे के लिए अभी प्राइवेट ट्यूशन पे जरूरत नहीं है. बहुत दुख का बात. क्या हुआ? लेटर ऑन he got the exact result that his service over there was stopped. His private tuition has been stopped over there. For what reason? The reason is that someone of their connections saw that the teacher is standing on the line buying a ticket, and the policeman gave him slash, some डंडा. तो मेरा बच्चा ऐसा कोई टीचर के पास नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए जिसको उधर ऐसे जो लाइन में खड़ा होकर डंडा जिसको मिलता है. ठीक है, जस्ट यू थिंक इट. I am giving you every detail. From that, you try to find out the cost. Clear? Now you have enjoyed the film beautifully, very, very closely and beautifully. You have enjoyed the film. So that is your gain. You have got that thing. Then what you have sacrificed? You left your assignment in the morning hours. From 5 onwards, you were standing over there. Got the ticket around, expected to get the ticket at around 12, but what happened then? Houseboat, you have to give some extra payment. Whatever it may be, the ticket might have been of 100, it is 500, okay, no problem, that part is okay. So you have wasted huge amount of time from 5 onwards, number one. You have got some injury, vedana, pain, ठीक है? उसके भी तो थोड़ा that it has its own cost. Then you purchase some medicine, that is the cost. You purchase some tiffin for to meet your hunger, that is also clear. and very, very importantly, you have lost the tuition. What is the cost of that film? Number one, the cost of the tickets, say 500, 1000, so chalega, it is measurable. The medicine you have purchased, say 50 rupees. But how do you measure? How do you measure the pain you have got? डंडा जो मिला, जो पेन इधर अभी तक भी है, ठीक है? How do you? So it is not measurable. Clear? Then you have purchased some food to meet your hunger. It is also measurable. But the time you have wasted, how do you measure? Although there is some opportunity cost of time, it can be measured in some different way. That is not your issue right now. But how do you measure? Clear? And then the cost of tuition you have lost. So there are many issues which cannot be measured in terms of money, and those which are measurable in terms of money. So these are the sacrifice and sacrifice. You have sacrificed time, you have sacrificed your regular normal food which you get in your breakfast at home. You have got the pain, you have purchased some medicine. You gone standing on the line, you got the ticket, finally you enjoyed but above all you have lost your tuition. So sacrifice and sacrifice. You think, I have told you everything. Now there are some sacrifices which cannot be measured in terms of money. The pain which you had to suffer, is not measured in terms of money. The prestige, the honor that has been reduced, that has gone. Okay, cannot be measured properly. Okay, the tuition you have lost, it can be measured. हो सके तो I would have taught the student for some period, 1 month or 2 months or 4 months or 5 months. That can be measured, but we cannot measure it in that way, because we have lost? I have lost my reputation. What is the cost of my reputation? I wasted time. What is the cost of my time? The medicine I purchased, the food I purchased, the tickets I purchased, all are measured in terms of money. But these are the other issues which are not measured in terms of money. Okay. So the thing, so getting the ticket, enjoying the film has its own cost. Some costs are measurable, some costs are non-measurable. The non-measurable part should be deleted, measurable part should be taken into account. Clear? Are you getting me? Okay, fine. So cost, to get something, the total thing I have told you, just to clear it, the costs refers to the sacrifices, which is measurable in terms of money. The sacrifice which cannot be measured in terms of money must be a cost. I would like to say it is a cost, but it is not measurable in terms of money. So in the arena of cost accounting, financial aspects, we cannot consider it. Okay, so who is the students? We are going to financial accounting, cost accounting. So we are concerned with all the issues which are measurable in terms of money. So to give up something, to get something, we must give up something. What is given up may be measurable in terms of money, may not be measurable in terms of money. Those which are measurable in terms of money is known as cost. Okay, so to get something, I give up something. What I give up is known as sacrifice, and this sacrifice, which is measurable in terms of money, is known as cost. Okay, that is, cost has its financial implication. Clear? Now come to the classification of cost. Okay, so friend, so it is so this is cost in general. Okay, in general. Now I am telling you, this cost may be considered from the standpoint of the general buyer. Okay. Producers or suppliers. To anyone, cost is the sacrifice measurable in terms of money. Clear? To anyone, cost is the sacrifice measurable in terms of money. And to the persons who are engaged in business, those who are engaged in trade, those who are engaged in sales, sales of manufacturing, those who are engaged in supplying goods and services to them. The cost refers to the amount of expenditure, amount of expenditure incurred in making the goods and services, in making the goods and services ready for sales, ready for transfer to the buyer, to the buyers. Okay, it is the amount of expenditure measured in making the goods or services ready for transfer to the buyers, and that is equated to total cost of sales. Cost of sales. The total cost of sales should be the cost in the hands of the to the producers and suppliers of the goods and services. Clear? So that is, and finding out that cost of sales is our area of activity. Okay. Now, so the cost of sales is, calculation of the cost of sales is our objective. Okay. Now to do that, what we have to do? We have to classify the sales as classify the cost in detail. Okay. Classification of cost. Now see. Now what I have told you, I am giving a sum up. Cost. Whenever someone wants to get something, he must give up something. What is given up is known as cost. Clear? And that getting something is ensured by giving up something. And that giving up may be measured in terms of money, may not be measured in terms of money. Those which are measured in terms of money, that is our area, we should consider. The sacrifice which is not measurable in terms of money should be deleted from our area of study. So cost is a sacrifice which is measurable in terms of money to get something. Cost is a sacrifice made to get something which is measurable in terms of money. Clear? Now this cost has got two dimensions. One, to the person who is buying only, to the buyer. To the buyer, the cost refers to the sacrifice to get the thing, and to the producers and suppliers, cost refers to the cost of sales. It is the total amount incurred for making the commodity or the services ready to transfer to the buyer. Clear? Now this is classification of cost. Cost may be classified in different angle. Okay, it may be some fixed cost, variable cost, semi-variable cost in one, that is behavioral, regarding with regards to the behavior.